Hi, to factory reset your Google Pixel Watch free. As a first step, press the scroll to open Apps menu and here scroll down to find Settings. Now, if you don't want to lose your data, then you can perform backup of your device. For that, you need to select the step System and in here find Backup. So you need to enable Backup by Google One and here you'll see Backup Size. After that, you need to find this option Disconnect and Reset. And as you can see, it will delete all user data. So if you want to do this, just tap here on the check mark to confirm that we want a factory reset watch and then enter its PIN code or pattern. And as you can see, this process just began, so your watch will turn off and just in a few moments it will turn back on and you would need to set it up again. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.